morning. So my name is Dr. Gordy Guay. I'm the Chief Science Officer at Gauvin Biotech.
And I'm Dr. Jean Gauvin, the Chief Veterinary Officer with Gauvin Biotech.
So before we start the series, we want to recognize that we're in a pandemic, and usually Jean and I are next to each other at work, but now we're actually at home and we're doing these videos coming to you from our own houses. And we first want to recognize all the great things that our first responders and our healthcare professionals are doing to keep us all safe and healthy.
Yeah, thanks, Gordy. Yes, and in fact, we know that the whole society has been affected by the COVID-19 pandemic and even pet owners. So our thoughts are with you right now, and we sincerely hope that you will remain healthy and safe. Now, Gordy, on a lighter note now, why don't you introduce yourself a bit more?
Okay, thanks, Jean. I guess, the first thing is, so I have a PhD in molecular biology. I've done a lot of work on understanding how bacteria become resistant to antibiotics. I've done a lot of work on developing a biofilm model, which is how bacteria live in complex communities. And I've worked for the last 25 years at Procter & Gamble developing new products. So worked for a number of different consumer products categories and received 11 international awards for products that I've developed. And, specifically, one area that's relevant today is I've done a lot of work working for Oral-B. I spent 5 years developing new products for Oral-B, and that was specifically for human oral health. Through this series, we're going to be talking to you about pet health, pet oral health, and so I'm excited to leverage some of the work that I've done previously for big multinational companies to help you pet owners keep your pet's oral health in a great condition. So, Jean, that's me. That's a little bit about me. Let's have you present yourself.
Well, unfortunately, Gordy, my resume is a bit shorter than yours. So, as I said earlier, I'm a small animal veterinarian. And before joining Gauvin Biotech, I've been in private practice for nearly 40 years. And my main field of interest have always been small animal dentistry, animal welfare, and antimicrobial stewardship. I'm a past president of the Canadian Veterinary Medical Association and also a past president of the Quebec Small Animal Veterinary Association. And as I introduced myself earlier in this video, I am now the new Chief Veterinary Officer at Gauvin Biotech. That it?
Well, we're excited to have you, Jean. I don't think your resume is short at all, so it's pretty impressive.
I'm really looking forward to working with you on this series, Gordy. As a matter of fact, the topic of our next video will be on the importance of oral care in pets. And that's going to be very important, very interesting, you'll see.
That's awesome. I'm super, super excited because I think people need to understand this. I mean, I think people are going to do the right thing for their pets if they understand what's critical for their health and their well-being. And I think these videos will be instrumental in helping people better understand why this is important, and more importantly, providing them the tools that they need to deliver against this. So looking forward to talking to you more, Jean.
Me too. Okay, see you then. Bye-bye now.